Hyperscale Data is starting a major transformation of its Michigan data center to accommodate advanced artificial intelligence infrastructure, marking a strategic pivot toward dual-purpose operations that combine AI compute with its existing Bitcoin mining capabilities. Situated on a 34.5-acre site and encompassing a 617,000 square foot facility with 28 megawatts of power, the Michigan campus offers the scale necessary for this hybrid model, which includes equipment like NVIDIA Blackwell servers. Hyperscale Data is positioning this expansion as a significant step in becoming one of the premier AI and blockchain compute hubs in the U.S. The facility currently houses 16 servers equipped with NVIDIA GPUs for AI operations, which will remain active throughout the enhancement process. Notably, Bitcoin mining will continue without disruption, preserving an essential revenue stream as the company diversifies. CEO William Horn emphasized the strategic advantage of the facility's size and existing infrastructure, which allows Hyperscale Data to scale its AI operations without sacrificing its core Bitcoin mining business. This dual-use approach is part of a broader trend within the digital infrastructure industry, where operators are evolving from single-purpose blockchain mining sites to multifaceted compute centers capable of serving AI, blockchain, and enterprise demands. Through its subsidiary Sentinum, Hyperscale continues to mine digital assets while offering colocation and hosting services. Another subsidiary, Alt Capital Group, ACG, is slated for divestiture in early 2026, with the exchange of preferred shares into ACG common stock serving as the mechanism for that transition. In parallel with the AI expansion, Hyperscale Data has also taken bold steps to strengthen its Bitcoin holdings. It launched a $100 million Bitcoin treasury strategy, allocating $5 million for immediate open market purchases. These efforts are backed by proceeds from the sale of its Montana data center and capital raised through its equity program. So far, the Hyperscale's Bitcoin treasury has grown to approximately $13.25 million, or nearly 39.4% of its public float, with subsidiary Sentinum holding 19.5679 BTC, valued at around $2.26 million. This aggressive digital asset strategy supports the company's broader goal of becoming a vertically integrated AI and digital asset infrastructure provider. In the realm of robotics, SERV Robotics keeps growing its tech as it acquired Phantom Auto and its subsidiary, Voices AB, valued at approximately $5.75 million. This acquisition significantly strengthens SERV Robotics' existing technology stack, particularly in support of its growing fleet of autonomous delivery robots, which are deployed in public environments across the United States. As demand for efficient and reliable last-mile delivery continues to rise, the integration of advanced connectivity and teleoperation systems into SERV's robotics platform positions the company to scale effectively while maintaining safety and operational precision. Voices AB, founded in 2014 and based in Norrköping, Sweden, is a recognized innovator in ultra-low latency video streaming and teleoperation technology. The company has developed a suite of platform-agnostic video and data streaming solutions capable of operating over a variety of network types, including 4G LTE and 5G. These technologies are designed to facilitate seamless communication and remote control of autonomous vehicles, industrial machinery, and robotic systems. Voices, ability to maintain consistent, low-latency connections across heterogeneous networks makes it a valuable addition to SERV Robotics' infrastructure. The acquisition not only expands SERV's capabilities in real-time remote operation and monitoring, but also supports its broader vision of creating a robust, scalable, and safe ecosystem for autonomous delivery in dynamic urban environments. And up above those dynamic urban environments, Joby Aviation announced its participation in the upcoming California International Air Show in Salinas, scheduled from October 4th and 5th. The event marks an opportunity for the public to engage directly with Joby's pioneering aircraft technology. Visitors to the airshow will be able to explore the interior of the Joby aircraft, interact with company engineers, and take part in hands-on activities and demonstrations. These interactive experiences are designed to demystify the technology behind electric aviation and spark public interest in the evolving future of air travel. By offering guided walkthroughs and immersive engagements, Joby aims to create deeper familiarity with its aircraft and its mission to revolutionize urban mobility. For Joby, this appearance in Salinas carries a personal significance. CEO Joe Ben Bevert, a native of the Santa Cruz Mountains, expressed pride in returning to the region where his passion for aviation began. He emphasized the growth of Joby from a small team of engineers into a large-scale operation employing thousands, united in their vision of reimagining how the world moves. Bringing the aircraft back to a community so close to Joby's founding location is viewed as a symbolic homecoming and a chance to share the tangible progress the company has made in its journey toward commercial passenger service. The event is also part of Joby's broader effort to engage with local communities and inspire future generations. In 2024 alone, Joby reached more than 6,500 students through 18 outreach events, including school partnerships, STEM fairs, and public exhibitions. These initiatives reflect the company's ongoing commitment to educational outreach and its role in nurturing the next wave of innovators in the aviation and technology sectors. The airshow appearance continues this trend, providing both enthusiasts and casual attendees an opportunity to learn about electric flight in an accessible and engaging environment. The Salinas Airshow participation comes at a pivotal time for Joby as it progresses steadily toward commercial readiness. It recently demonstrated its operational capabilities by completing its first flight between two U.S. airports, Marina and Monterey, in FAA-controlled airspace. It has also hosted public events such as Girls in Aviation Day and participated in community celebrations like Douglas Day in Santa Monica, reinforcing its presence and engagement at both local and national levels. As Joby advances toward certification, with Type Inspection Authorization (TIA) flight tests planned for early 2026, its presence at events like the Salinas Air Show not only builds public awareness, but also highlights the maturity and momentum behind its electric aviation efforts. Then in the ocean depths, Ocean Power Technologies has been experiencing a turbulent period following the release of its fiscal first quarter 2026 results. Revenues for the quarter ended July 31, 2025, fell 9% year-over-year to $1.2 million. Gross profit turned negative, with a minor loss of $23,000 compared to a $400,000 profit the previous year. The deterioration in profitability was primarily due to a 44% surge in operating expenses, which reached $7.1 million, driven in part by a $2.1 million increase in non-cash stock-based compensation. And perhaps most importantly, net loss widened to $7.4 million from $4.5 million a year earlier. The disappointing results were largely attributed to reduced project activity and higher costs, which outpaced revenues. However, management noted that despite current financial pressures, a growing project backlog and increased pipeline activity indicate the potential for future revenue growth. This optimism is bolstered by investments and operational shifts aimed at scaling the business. Among recent initiatives was a major upgrade to the Merrow's Maritime Domain Awareness solution, which enhanced the platform's security, interoperability, and stability, signaling a push toward more advanced maritime intelligence systems. Ocean Power Technologies is also expanding its global footprint. The company recently opened a new office at the Association for Uncrewed Vehicle Systems International, AUVSI headquarters in Washington, D.C., in a move designed to deepen its engagement with U.S. government and industry stakeholders. Internationally, OPT signed a master services agreement with the UAE-based Unique Group, designating it as the execution partner for non-defense WAM-V, Wave Adaptive Modular Vessel, projects in the region. This agreement includes the immediate lease of a WAM-V 22 unit and plans for fleet expansion, as well as a revenue-sharing model. To support long-term regional operations, OPT is also planning to establish a maintenance, repair, and overhaul hub in the UAE, which may generate recurring income and operational efficiencies. In the bigger picture, OPT has recently undergone a substantial transformation. The company has shifted from being a developer of buoy-based energy solutions to a provider of comprehensive ocean intelligence platforms. This transition was formally outlined at the Microcap Rodeo Fall Conference in September 2025, where CEO Philip Stratman presented the company's new direction. Under his leadership, OPT has restructured its business to focus on autonomous systems and persistent, remotely operated maritime platforms capable of delivering real-time data across defense, security, and energy sectors. The company reduced its overhead by approximately 40% over the past 18 months to streamline operations and sharpen its market approach. With this shift, its revenue model has evolved to include direct sales, recurring maintenance revenue, and rentals of unmanned surface vehicles, USVs, which serve as highly versatile, high-payload assets likened by management to the pickup trucks of the ocean intelligence industry. As part of this transition, OPT has built a robust sales pipeline totaling $130 million and a firm backlog of approximately $15 million. Its technology offerings, which now include AI-enabled platforms like the upgraded Meros system, are already commercially deployed, setting the company apart from competitors still reliant on theoretical or developmental models. Stratman emphasized that OPT's real-world deployments, military-grade security clearances, and strong veteran representation within the company give it a unique advantage, particularly in defense and critical infrastructure applications. These advancements, combined with continued policy advocacy, including recent testimony by Stratman before the New Jersey legislature, reinforce OPT's position as a thought leader in the marine energy and ocean intelligence sectors. So despite financial setbacks and a widening quarterly loss, Ocean Power Technologies remains on course for a far-reaching transformation aimed at securing a leading role in the ocean intelligence market. Its realignment toward autonomous maritime platforms, international partnerships, and focus on defense-related applications suggests that the company is positioning itself for long-term growth, even as near-term profitability remains elusive. With a growing backlog, streamlined operations, and deployed technology already in use, OPT keeps redefining its identity and capitalizing on new, high-value market opportunities in maritime security and data intelligence. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.